So we got a 2023 Hyundai Tucson. I'm going to show you how to pull out the cabin filter. Go and open up your glove box, okay? And the filter is located in this retainer back here. So what we're going to have to do is lower the glove box. And there's a damper right here that we're going to disconnect. All you're going to do is pull it, it'll pop, disconnect like that. There are these stoppers that are right here. What we're going to do is pull the glove box past the stopper and pull down. Same thing on this side. Pull it and pull down. Okay. I have to go back and forth once or twice to be able to get it. And just work it down. Right. And then the glove box will lower down. This door right here we're going to take off. Right here on the right side you have these clips that we're going to squeeze. Then you can pull it towards you. The other side is slotted, okay? And here is the cabin filter. Here's the part number. The part number is going to be down in the description box along with a link. Takes you to Amazon if you want to pick up a new filter. And notate the airflow is down in this car, okay? Right out, and here we go. And this one definitely needs to be replaced, so I'm going to be telling my customer that I'm going to recommend a new one. When you get your new one, it just goes right back in here, just like this. You get the door to the left side first, snap it closed. Close the glove box, okay? Like that. And then the damper just snaps right back on. And that's it. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.